Have you ever wondered how many push-ups you really need to build muscle and boost strength, especially as you get older? The truth is, it's not just about how many you do, it's about how you do them. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind push-ups, how to avoid common mistakes, and the best way to structure your routine for maximum gains. Stick around because we'll also share a push-up program tailored to your fitness level, whether you're just starting out or already a pro. First, let's clear up a common misconception. Doing push-ups every single day isn't the best way to build muscle. When you perform any resistance exercise, like push-ups, squats, or pull-ups, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. These micro-tears need time to repair and grow stronger, a process known as muscular hypertrophy. If you don't allow your body enough recovery time, you risk overtraining, which can slow your progress and even lead to injury. So what's the ideal approach? It's all about training smart. When you perform push-ups correctly, your muscles, triceps, shoulders, and chest go through cycles of contraction and resistance which stimulate growth. But that growth happens when you rest, not while you train. That brings us to the big question. How many push-ups should you do? The answer depends on your fitness level. Beginners should aim for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 push-ups, stopping just short of their max effort. If a standard push-up feels too difficult, modify with knee push-ups or incline push-ups. Intermediate lifters can push for 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 25 reps, with an occasional burnout set, as many reps as possible, to challenge endurance and strength. Advanced athletes should incorporate more difficult variations, such as weighted push-ups, explosive push-ups, or even one-arm push-ups, ensuring their muscles stay challenged. Beyond reps and sets, proper nutrition is key. To build muscle efficiently, you need a diet rich in protein and a slight calorie surplus. Aim for 1 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight and an extra 250 to 500 calories per day to fuel muscle growth. Now let's talk about rest and recovery. Your muscles need at least 48 hours to fully repair after an intense workout. That means you should schedule push-up days with rest or other exercises in between. A solid plan might include push-ups on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, with recovery days in between. So, is doing push-ups every day a good idea? Not quite. If you allow proper recovery, push-ups can absolutely help build muscle, but daily push-ups without rest can slow your progress. Ready to maximize your push-up routine? Train smart, give your muscles time to grow, and watch your strength transform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Wellness Compass, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best fitness tips. Stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.